Hey, welcome to Boozehive. In this video, we're going to turn Parma Violet Sweets into an impressive gin cosmopolitan. This cocktail is very unique, easy to make, and has a sweet floral flavour. For this cocktail, you're going to need Parma Violet simple syrup. To make this, take 2 packets of violets and crush them into a fine powder. Either use a pestle and mortar or the end of a rolling pin. Add a 1:1 ratio of boiling water and Parma Violet powder to heat. Then stir slowly until all the powder is dissolved. Make sure you let it cool down before pouring it into a container. For the last step, add half a part lime juice, 2 parts gin, 1.5 parts Parma Violet syrup, and 2 parts cranberry juice to a shaker filled with ice. Then give it a good old shake. The most important step is to strain the drink into a martini glass and tweet us a picture of your cocktail. We always love seeing your creations. And there we go, a Parma Violet Gin Cosmopolitan. Thank you for watching this Boozehive recipe. Make sure to subscribe for more weekly videos and share this recipe with a friend who might enjoy it. Bye!